We begin with primer that is great for smoothing the skin texture, fine lines and enlarged pores. We're applying the liquid foundation with a stipple brush. This is in nice buffing rounded motions. Cover the entire eyelid area. Make sure you buff around the nose and down into the jawline and blend into the neck. Just using what's left on your brush up into the hairline so it's not cakey. Touch up under the eyes with a smaller brush and use some peach concealer if required for any dark circles. Next, we're applying eyeshadow primer. This goes from lashes to brow and helps keep your eyeshadow in place, easier blending and truer colour. We're beginning our eyeshadow with a transition colour. This is in a coral shade we're using today. Starting in the outer corner of the eye, we're using a rather larger, fluffier brush. This is so that we can get a soft blend. Work in the crease and slightly above toward the nose. In the outer corner of the eye, work in a 45-degree angle down into the lash line and then make sure you blend it softly. Because we're doing more of a party eye today, we're going with a darker colour with the black. Using a smaller bullet-shaped brush, I've just placed a tissue to catch any fallout because it is such a dark colour. Work in like a triangle shape in the outer corner from the crease down toward the lash line and then filling in to the crease line and slightly above. Not over the entire area of the coral, and then buff the coral to blend the two colours together. For a soft smoky look under the eye, we're going to start with the transition colour again on a soft brush, just buffing from the outer corner into the inner corner of the eye. Then we're going to take the black again on the finer brush and just go over the edge near your lash line, and that will give that lovely soft smoky finish. To finish off this gorgeous evening look, we're taking a really pretty shimmery gold. This is just going on the mobile lid near the lashes, in the center, from the corner of the eye across, and blend it gently into the black in a patting motion. Using a gel liner now as your eyeliner with a fine brush, angled brush, start with the corner of the eye, following the lash line all the way across until you get towards the outer. Flip your brush from outside in, and this will give you a really nice winged eyeliner finish. You can also use a small amount of what's left on your brush under the eye, and that will give a much more dramatic, evening, smoky look. Then we finish off with some mascara and really give a lovely deep coat to your mascara, to your lashes, starting at the base of the lashes and jiggling your brush towards the outer ends. With your eyebrows, give them a light comb upwards and then blend some product through the brows. We're just doing quite a natural brow look today and just filling in the gaps. To give Tony's cheeks some contour, we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer with a firm brush, working from the outer hairline, following under the cheekbone toward the nose at a nice angle. And then you can also use it under the jawline and around the chin. That gives some lovely shadow and contour for the chin and jawline, and around the hairline if needed as well. We're ready for blush now. Start with a larger, fluffier brush. I usually mix a couple of blush colours, dabbing together, tapping the excess off on the back of my hand, and then starting on the cheekbone at the outer corner of the eye, so the centre of the cheek. Work in soft rounded motions that will blend in with your blend in with your contour, back into the hairline, and bring it into the centre of the face where the apple of your cheek is. Then taking a little bit of highlighter, we're going to use a lovely goldy creamy highlighter colour just on the top edge of the cheekbone. Moving on to lips now, we're starting in the Cupid's bow with our lip pencil and work one side and then the other. Following your natural lip line, if you'd like to make your lips fuller, you can work slightly on the outside of the lip line. Or if you have really full lips and you want to make them look a little bit smaller, you can work on the inside of the lip line. Working with our lipstick now, I'm applying with a lip brush because this does help the lipstick stay on better and it blends nicely with your lip pencil. So start at the center of the bottom lip, working outwards and filling in the lip area, and then move to the top lip. That's our fun evening party look on Tony. Have fun recreating it.